Hello, my friends, and welcome to coding exercise number 5. In this exercise, we are asked to write a program to reverse a string. So, for example, if the user enters X, Y, Z, the program will print for him Z, Y, X. So, pause the video and think about how to solve such a program. I hope you solve it well. We start by a scanner to get this string scanner or s1 equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, and you see I imported java.util.scanner. Now I need to display a system.out.println for the user input the string to reverse. Okay, I will store this string and transform it into a char array called letters equal to scanner or s1 dot next line. This is how we get the string, and you can directly use to char array. This is how we transform it into a character array. So system.out.println the reversed string, we need to print it. Okay, so what I have done here, I get the input string from the user using the scanner. Then I stored it inside letters character array. Now I'm going to use a for loop in order to print these letters from the last till the beginning. So I will start from the end, then I will passing through the middle, and then I will go to the start. So I am reversing the printing, not the printing the letters from left to right. I'm going to print the letters from right to left. Okay. So for that, I will use int I equal to letters dot length. I'm getting the length of this array -1 in order not to make out of bound exception, and I greater than or equal to 0. I'm using greater than or equal because I need the first element at index 0. And the length in array, as we know, it's less than its index by 1. So here we use indices, and because that I have -1 and I subtracted 1. Okay, and I minus I'm going because I'm going from end to the start. I'm starting from the end and ending at the start of this array. System.out.println or print, I'm not going to print them, new lines, letters at index I. Okay, then system out.print new line. You can print like this, new line, or print ln. Okay, let's run the program. And here we go. Input the string to reverse. Hello. If I enter, it will give me OLLEH. Okay, so congratulations, guys. We have succeeded in getting the string from the user and reversing it through transforming it into an array of characters. Then we inverse the loop to start from the end till reaching the start of the letters array.